Hey, good morning. Welcome back. How often do you get maintenance on your vehicle? 30, 60, 90K? Do you follow those manufacturer recommendations? Joining us this morning, our Automan, Brian Bowersock, to tell us how often we should be checking and how it's changed with the new vehicles,
what's all
new
this
technology.
mean to you? Yeah,
what
1
does
and
it
2
mean?
service, A, B,
I
C,
have
D,
no idea
30,
what I'm
60,
saying
90.
here.
Well, the manufacturers, they set these up, obviously, and it's by vehicle, model, etc. So what you really should be following is what the manufacturer recommends for your vehicle. Now, the question is, what does that all mean to you?
Right.
Well, what it means is if you stay on top of the maintenance, you can definitely extend the life of your vehicle, and that's where it becomes very important. We've had this discussion about oil changes before,
yes,
right?
we have.
We're not going to beat that dog, are we? No. So, but that's what we're talking about this morning is 30, 60, 90Ks, 1 and 2 services, A, B, C, and D. You should be going to a place to get these services done. You don't have to go back to the car dealer to get this done. You can go to an independent. That's another thing that's important.
Yeah, a lot of people are like, I need to go back to the dealership to get this done. Sometimes it can be a little pricey.
Yeah, and you don't have to. And most people, like our facilities and a lot of facilities, can print this out for you. We have a program that actually shows what every manufacturer recommends for what vehicle and what model and etc. You should follow those. Sometimes also you will find if you call around on these services that different places, even different car dealers, will add other services to them. So you'll get a wide variety of prices. So what you need to do specifically is follow the manufacturer's recommendations, and then if there is some other recommendations, you may listen to them, but make a determination if they're really needed.
Right, I was going to say sometimes they add on like, you need this, you need that. How do you really know if you need it? Somebody like me, I won't know.
You don't always know, and that's the other part that me and you always talk about, finding somebody trusted that you can take your vehicle to without question, that you can trust, that will advise you on what you do need and what you don't need.
Right, trusting that person is crucial.
Correct. So these services can include a wide array here, anything from replacing fluids such as coolants and oil changes, transmission services, to timing belts and belts on bigger surfaces, spark plug wires if you still have them, fuel filters,
you see that,
cabin filters, need to replace that, air filters on the vehicle. These are just a bunch of components that are often normally replaced in these type of services.
All right, Brian Bowersock, Automan, thanks for being with us
Always
this
glad
morning.
to be here as usual.
All right.